CryEngine is often touted as one of the best game engines for creating stunningly realistic graphics. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into what makes CryEngine stand out and whether it's the right choice for your next project. CryEngine is a powerful game development platform known for its incredible visual fidelity and realistic environmental effects. It's designed for developers who want to create immersive experiences, particularly in the realms of first-person shooters and open-world games. Right from the start, you'll notice that the engine supports advanced rendering techniques, allowing for lifelike lighting, shadows, and textures. The user interface is relatively intuitive, but there's a steep learning curve, especially for newcomers. The engine is equipped with a robust suite of tools, including a visual scripting system that can help streamline development. However, while it shines in graphics, some users find the documentation lacking, which can be frustrating when you're trying to troubleshoot or learn new features. Overall, CryEngine feels like a solid choice for developers focused on high-end graphics, but the complexity can be a barrier for those new to game development. On the plus side, CryEngine delivers some of the best graphics in the industry, which is a huge draw for developers looking to create visually stunning games. The engine's real-time global illumination and particle effects can elevate any project. It also has strong community support, which can be helpful for troubleshooting. However, there are downsides. The learning curve is definitely steep, and those without prior experience might find themselves overwhelmed. Additionally, the system requirements can be quite high, which may limit accessibility for smaller studios or indie developers. Some users also report that the documentation isn't as comprehensive as it could be, leading to potential roadblocks during development. In summary, while CryEngine excels in graphics, it may not be the best fit for everyone, especially those just starting out in game development. In conclusion, CryEngine is a fantastic choice for developers aiming for top-tier graphics and immersive experiences, but it's not without its challenges. If you have the experience and resources, it's worth exploring. However, if you're new to game development, you might want to consider simpler alternatives that offer a more gradual learning curve.